Hey guys, it's Jasmine. Today I'm gonna be doing a prank on Kalia because a couple of days ago she did a prank on me, and it was so scary. I had a fast fight. Oh my gosh, I was so scared. But you can watch that. It's called Prank. It's called Prank. That's what I watched it, and that's what it was called. Kalia. That's what Kalia put in the title. And yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a coughing too much prank. It's not really a prank. I just made it up, or somebody else made it up. I don't know. So yeah, let's do it. She's awake. She doesn't know that I'm doing this though. So come on, let's go. She just thinks I'm on the phone doing something. I'm doing something else on this. Hey, Kalia. Hey. Hey, what'd you say your password was again? 1472. Okay. It's almost dead though. What's wrong? Go drink some water. Are you okay? We should probably go get some water. Jasmine, are you okay? Oh my God, Jasmine, are you okay? Come on, I'm gonna go take you to get some water. I'm gonna take you to get some water. Come on, I'm gonna go get you some water. Come on, I gotta drag you. You're too heavy to carry. We have a cup of water right there. Where? I'm gonna go get you a cup of water. I can't. And y'all fight. Oh my God, I hate you. I really do. This is the second prank you've done on me. Are we just like gonna do pranks on each other all night? Actually, I'm done with you. Okay, so that's all for today, man. That stuff was funny. Oh my God. Like I always say, well, not what I always say because I forget to say something, but